Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple.
Today we're going to learn how to draw a gorilla. Let's start off with a head by drawing a short horizontal line for the brow. Next, draw a dot, a tiny line, and a dot for the eyes. On top, draw two bumps like so that come down to this end here for the top of the brow. Then, a short line down here, followed by two big C-shapes for the nose. From here, draw a line that swoops out and under, all the way up to here for the jaw. Then, add a small turn at the end like so, with another big C-shape here for the ear. On the nose, draw two big watermelon seeds here and here for the nostrils. And finish off the face by drawing a long curved line across the bottom for the mouth. On top, draw a line going up and over, giving him a big triangular forehead, and come all the way down past the ear. Continue that line, adding a bump like so for the shoulder, and another bump at the end for the back. From here, start the arm with the line coming down and bending slightly. And from up here, a similar shape but mirrored. From this line, extend it down and curve it like so for the big forearm. But from the other end, come all the way down like so. Then, a C shape here for the first finger, followed by small bumps across to this end for the knuckles. Under the chin, draw a line coming down that curves to the left for the chest, and one more line for the belly. Next, copy the lines we drew for the first arm for the other arm. A curvy line coming down, another curvy line coming down on the side. Extend this line straight down, and a C shape followed by some small bumps for the knuckles. On the back, continue this line down and curve it gently like this for the hind leg. And from up here, a line coming down and bending to the left as well. For the foot, just curve this line to the right and turn back to this end. And add a line across here for the belly. Then, copy the shape of the first leg slightly to the right for the other leg. And to finish off the legs, add some small bumps for the toes. Now, to add some detail, draw some thin lines across the top of the belly here to show where the fur stops. And two curved lines coming down across the chest like so. Add another thin line down the middle to add some shape to the chest, and two thin lines underneath to finish that off. On the head, draw a thin line across the brow like so, that turns down and to the right. Then, a big C shape down to the chin, and a small thin C shape here at the ear. Across the ankles and wrists, add some thin wavy lines as well. Finally, draw some short zigzags scattered around the body to give the fur some texture. And now you've got a gorilla! Make sure you let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next, and check out these videos for more!